Hello everybody. So now again I'm going to solve some more questions based on Pythagoras theorem. I hope all the questions and the basic concept that I've explained in my previous video have become very clear to all of you. So now let's solve some more questions based on Pythagoras theorem. So the first question is, in the given figure, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. AC is equal to AB is equal to 26 centimeter and BD is equal to DC. If the length of AD is equal to 24 centimeter, find the length of BC. Clear? And this is the diagram. Okay, so now let's solve it. In the given figure, ADB, clear, 90 degree. AC is equal to AB. This is given what? 26. Clear? And AD is 24. AD is 24. Find the length of BC. We have to find the length of BC. Means first we have to find the length of BD, then DC, and then we will add. Clear? And this AD is for both the triangle. Okay. So how we'll solve it? First we'll find out BD. So which triangle we will take? In triangle ADB. Clear? So in triangle ADB, BD will be equal to what? Square root of 26 minus 24. So square root of 26 is 676. Let's check once again. So 26 into 26, 36, 3. Yes, 676. Clear? I was correct. 676. And square of this 24 is what? 576. Okay. So when we subtract, we will get what here? 100. And square root of 100 is what? 10. So BD is what? BD is 10 centimeter. So here you write what? 10. Okay. Now, next we have to find out DC. Then only we can find out what? Then only we can find out BC. So, in triangle ADC, this is DC will be equal to what? Square root of again 26, and this is 24. So again you will get what? 10. Of course you will get 10. So total length of this will be what? So this is very, because 24, this line is for both, and here these two lines are what? Same length. So we can write that BC is equal to BD plus DC. BD is 10 plus 10, and this is equal to what? 20 centimeter answer. Clear? I think it must have become clear to all of you. Now let's do the next question. So the next question is, in the given figure, AD is 13 centimeter, BC 12 centimeter, AB is is equal to 3 centimeter. AB is equal to 3 centimeter. And angle ACD is equal to angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Find the length of DC. Find the length of DC. Clear? So in the given figure, AD is 13 centimeter. Clear? So right here, AD 13 centimeter. BC is what? 12 centimeter. AB is what? 3 centimeter. And ACD and this ABC is what? 90 degree. You have to find out the length of what? DC. This you have to find out. So which triangle we will take first? First we will take this triangle. Because in this triangle, 3 sides are here. And out of 3 sides, what? 2 sides given. So it is easy to find out the third side. Now, here you can see the 90 degree. Means one is perpendicular and one will be what? Base. And this will be the hypotenuse. Because the line which is just in front of the 90 degree angle, that line is a hypotenuse. Okay. So here we can write directly that AC is equal to square root of what? 3 plus 12. So square root of 9 plus 144. And this is equal to what? $53. 153. Clear? So AC, the value of AC is what? The value of AC is 153, because it is a long process to take out the square root of this. So we will keep this AC like this, square root of 153. Let's see what we get in the next calculation. So next, what we have to find out? We have to find out DC. So DC will be equal to what? DC will be equal to square root of 13 and minus what? Square root of 13 minus square root of 1/5. Square of what? Square of 13 and square of 153. So square of what? Square root of 153. So this will be equal to 169. And square of this will be what? Square of this square root of 153 will become, yes, 1. Because how we'll solve this one? I have explained earlier also how to solve this one. Like I am explaining you here. It is given 153 and square. Okay. So what is the value of this square root? Half. So we can write like this, half into 2. So this 2 and this 2 is cancelled. What we have? 153. So we will write 153 here. Okay, I hope this, because this type of calculation I have explained you in the exponent, laws of exponent. Clear? So value of this square root is what? Half. And here 2 is given. So half into 2. Or this way also you can write like 2 into 1 by 2. No problem. This 2 and 2 cancel and 153. Okay. So when we solve it like this, we will get 153. So here it will now subtract it. 16. So short we can write unnecessary. I have taken my place here. And square of 16, square root of 1, square root of 16 is what? 4. So 4 centimeter. Clear? So here it will be what? Here it will be, AC will be square root of 153 and DC will be what? DC will be 4 centimeter. Here you can also write centimeter. Clear? So like this you can solve this question. If you are getting here 153, don't worry. again you do the next step. Whenever you get such type of answer, no, then don't get nervous. See that one more part you have to find out. Maybe in that part, this difficult part will become very easy, and this has happened here also. Clear? So this difficult part has become very easy, but you should have the concept how you can solve it, and I have explained you how to solve such type of calculation. So now I'm 100% sure that this calculation has become very easy for you all also. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is, a ladder 6.5 meter long rests against a vertical wall. If the foot of the ladder is if the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter from the foot of the wall, find up to how much height? Find up to how much height does the ladder reach? Does the ladder reach? Clear? This is the question. How we'll solve it? A ladder 6.5 meter long rests against a vertical wall. This is the vertical wall and this is the ladder. Clear? So, if the foot, no, what is this here? Ladder is 6.5 meter long. So, this one is 6.5. If the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter from the foot of the wall, means this is what? 2.5 meter. From the foot of the wall, find how much height does the ladder reach? This is the height. Okay, this we have to find out. How we will find out? Very easy. H will be equal to what? Square root of 6.5 minus square of 2.5. Okay, so first we'll find out the square of 6.5. How we'll find the square of 6.5? So I'm going to write this one, because it has become very clear that what we have to find out. So 6.5. Clear? So here 5, 2, 2, 4. So 42.25. Okay, minus square of 25, you know, square of 25 is 625, and so 6.25. So subtract it. Zero, 0, 6 and 1 means ultimately what? 16. So we can write 16, and here is what? 4 meter. So first thing is very important, that don't get nervous when you get a bigger number or you get any different kind of number. Clear? So here see, if you are getting in decimal, no need to get worried. As I have done, how much? I mean, a very simple way I have done. Clear? Simply I have multiplied and then I have put the decimal. Clear? So now see, at last the answer is what? Very small number. Easy way also I have done here. So please don't get nervous whenever you get decimal in the answer or in the process. Okay, solve it as I have done it. Okay, without getting nervous, you solve the sum. Now, let's do the next question. Now, the next question is, a boy first goes 5 meters. A boy first goes 5 meters due north. And then 12 meters due east. 12 meters due east. Find the distance between find the distance between the initial and the final position of the boy. Find the distance between the initial and the final position of boy. Okay, this is the question. Now solve it. A boy first goes 5 meters due north, means going north. Clear? So, and then 12 meters due east, means 12 meters due east. Clear? Like this. Find the distance between the initial and the final position. This is the initial position, this is the final position of the boy. We will meet. Clear? Okay, so now this is 5 and then 12. This one is 12 meters. We have to find out this distance. So of course this is what? Perpendicular. This one is what? Perpendicular lines. So here is A, here is B, here is C. Clear? So simply we can write here h is equal to what? H will be equal to square root of 12 plus square of 5. And square of 12, 144, and square of 5, 25, and this is equal to 169, and square of 169 is what? 13 meter. Answer. Clear? So just you draw the diagram as it is given in the question. Clear? And then you will see that what you have to find out. Okay? So as I have done it here, it has become very clear that we have to find out the hypotenuse. Okay? Now let's do the next question. Find the length of AD. Find the length of AD. Clear? You have to find out the length of AD. Where? In this figure. Clear? This is the figure. This is 10. This is what? 20. It is given. This is 20. This one is D. This one is A. This one is C. This one is B. And this one is O. Clear? So this is. Okay. This is the question. So now how will you solve it? You have to find out the length. This one is 10. It is very clear that this is what? This is a square. Because three sides given, three angles given here 90 degree. Means of course the fourth angle will also be 90 degree, and this is a square. So if this one is 10, then this will also be what? 10. Clear? And if it is means if it is rectangle also, because in rectangle also all four sides are what? All four angles of 90 degree. Clear? So it is not given that this is a square or this is a rectangle, but in both the cases, if this one is 10, then this will also be equal to 10. So if this one is 10, this one is 10. If this is 10 and this whole is 20, means this will become 10. This will become 10. Clear? So what we have to find out? AD. We have to find out the length of AD. How will find out the length of AD? Okay. So, and here it is given 24 centimeter. Yes. So now it is very clear that this is not a square, this is what? Rectangle. So if this one is 24, then this will also be what? 24 centimeter. Because in rectangle all four angles are same, and the value of all four angles means the value of each angle is what? 90 degree, and the sides opposite to each other are equal. Clear? Means opposite sides are equal to each other. So if this one is 24, this will also be 24. Okay. So now find out. This one is 24, this one is 10. So in triangle ADO, what we can write? AD is equal to square root of what? Square of 10 plus square of 24. So square of 10, 100, and square of 24, 576, and this is equal to 676. 676 means what? 26 centimeter answer. So here this will all means AD is equal to what? 26 centimeter. Clear? I hope this process has become very clear to you, and all different types of sums based on Pythagoras theorem I have done it here. I hope all sums have become very clear to you. Thank you very much for this class. Have a nice day.